Fair.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Barrow County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Hall County in north-central Georgia, western Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hog Mountain, Oregon, 10 miles north of Atlanta. Thunderstorm with Conyers and Jackson moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard up to 40 miles indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winder, Jefferson, Sugar Hill, Buford, Brasselton, Auburn, Flowery Branch, Dacula, Hodgson, Pendergrass, Carl, Talmo, Rest Haven, Kendler, County Line, Thompson's Mill, Chateau Elon, Chestnut Mountain, Road Atlanta Lanier Speedway, and Hog Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report. WS Atlanta. At 4 p.m.